Welcome to my latest project on HandiWorks. Today, I'll be showing you how to create an elegant embroidery stitching pattern on a beautiful piece of beige linen fabric using rich maroon embroidery floss. What's great about this project is that you don't need to be an expert in stitching. It's simple and easy to follow. I've cut a square piece of fabric and drawn a grid with 6 by 6 mm squares using graph paper and a heat erasable pen. I'm using an embroidery hoop stand to stabilize the fabric and keep my hands free, making the stitching process much smoother. However, using a hoop is not strictly necessary. This pattern can be stitched just as easily without one. We're going to do a simple running stitch along both of the lines we just drew. Keep your stitches nice and even for a polished look. I have included 3 beads along the center row of the grid, which adds texture and visual interest to the design. The grid helps maintain precise and consistent stitching throughout the design. Remember, you can always adjust the size of the squares to suit your project's needs. After completing the running stitches, we'll begin weaving with the same maroon threads, creating a striking contrast against the beige fabric. This pattern is perfect for a variety of applications, from dress bodices and sleeves to tablecloths and home decor. It's a fantastic way to elevate your sewing and embroidery projects with a simple yet impactful design. You can easily change the fabric or thread colors to match your personal style or the specific garment you're working on. Experiment with different color combinations and fabric types to create something truly unique. This design is perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your dress bodices, sleeves, tablecloths, or any other textile project you have in mind. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to HandiWorks for more embroidery tutorials, and check the description box for any additional tips and materials used in this project. Happy stitching!